It's June 28th, 2023. I'm going to do a little walk through Andrea's backyard. We just cut the lawn. There's a bunch of trees here in the woods. And then we're going to see the cherries on the cherry tree, which are not ready yet. But you can see that they look pretty good. So a couple weeks, nice cherry tree. And then we come up this way. House is back there. We go back this way. Cherries, tons of cherries up on top. There's tons. And they are not ripe yet. But there's a lot of cherries on that one. Anyway, so that's another cherry tree. So we see apple trees. And we're gonna keep on walking. Andrea's like being cut in the branch.
I like when the story when the rose.
There's the Wicked Witch. Oh, she is Russian. I thought so. She's got her sickle.
Oh, I mean, look at this.
Who bought you the sickle?
You.
Yeah. And we got berries here. All different kinds of berries. Blackberries. These look pretty good. Wow. Nice. And we're gonna go along the fence. Some more trees. And then we come over here, we built a nice fire. Andrea's far away. Apple trees. And then the one in the middle is a giant walnut tree. And that's been here since her grandparents were here. That was probably a baby tree, and now it's giant. And this is a nice fire in the Czech Republic. Go see the fire. Wow, it looks like a volcano. That's pretty. Pretty fire. It's really warm. Whew. And it's like 9 o'clock right now, so it's like really weird. I think it's after 9 actually. So it's really strange how that's so light. And I'm able to film. Wow. Okay, back to the tour. So there is the walnut tree. And those are walnuts that are green. So this is a walnut. And they will eventually be brown. Another apple tree. And this is Andrea's backyard. Patio. And the house. We just like put the tarp there. And we're going to the front, another apple tree. And there was a pear tree somewhere too, I missed it. So that's the neighbor's house. And there's another nice apple tree. Very good ones 2 years ago when we were here. And this is the neighborhood. And across the street from Andrea's house is farmland. Pretty nice. And the other day I walked from one side of the town. Andrea's new sidewalk, fancy, pantsy. And she put a new fence up on the other side. And she has the fanciest fence, brand new, in the front. And it's a pretty quiet neighborhood. But anyway, you can see that the property goes all the way back. And I can't even see Andrea. I see the lawnmower. No, Andrea, hopefully she didn't fall down the cliff. So anyway, that's her house, and the windows are open. Trying to air it out a little bit. And then we have flowers that are from her grandmother. They're still here. They're in the front. Really pretty flowers. Wow. Very nice. And those are beautiful roses. Wow. I have to come back and take a picture of that. Wow. And these are her grandmother's from years and years and years ago. So it's nice that she's keeping the family memories alive. And she did a great job on putting up fences and taking care of the property that has been in her family a lot of years. And then you can see the moon over there. It's actually 9:30 at night. These are giant trees. That's what I want in my backyard. Block the view. That's nice. You don't see the house next door. And that's about it. That's the front door. Welcome to Malahota, number 3. And there's Andrea doing her exercise with a wheelbarrow. And this is an extra piece of the house that's been there a long time. Normally her dad sits in the spot right there. This is Pat. So that's an old farmhouse. And this is her father's smoker. And the wife's calling me. I have to go. And there's the bricks. And back to the fireplace. And she threw that on the fire. What do you have to say?
A lot of work.
Huh?
A lot of work, honey. But beautiful garden. The most beautiful garden ever.
And look at all the tree branches that aren't hanging down anymore from 2 years ago, 8 days worth of cutting. I think it looks pretty neat, considering everybody else's house doesn't look that neat. Nice fire. So, anyway, got the whole backyard in this video. Hope that Andrea's happy. And I am going to take another picture of the apple tree there. That's 2 neighbors' houses, and then the farmland starts, and the back of Andrea's house, and we are done.